Hey guys, I'm Rachel and thank you so much for tuning into this new video. So here I am going to be explaining what was in my esthetician kit for the facial portion. So my school was partnered with Dermalogica. As you can see, we got this bag, and with this bag we got all these products in it. So today I'm going to be explaining what are these products and if I like this skincare line and my thoughts of it, and hopefully you enjoy this video, and if you do, please subscribe. And here we go. So here I am going to give you my overall opinion about my school partnering with Dermalogica. Here's my opinion. So I think it's great that my school decided to partner with Dermalogica, because Dermalogica is actually a very known brand. Everybody knows what Dermalogica is. So the fact that my school carried Dermalogica, it was a reason why I decided to go there, because of this brand. I know so many schools around my area use very weird, odd brands that I just didn't very trust. Like being said, that's the reason why I decided to go to the school that I went to, because they did use Dermalogica. And I think this kit was very, very versatile. It had everything for everybody, and I think it's pretty, has most of everything. I'm going to be explaining later what each product is and what it's used for. So this is the bag that we got, and it says Dermalogica Partnership School, and it's pretty big. You open it and it has these two little pockets right here, and also has this little flap so you can put like stuff in here, like papers or notes and stuff, and it just has this big space also you can close it through here. I thought this bag was pretty big, and everything from here does fit in this bag, which was great. We did have to bring this bag to school every day, so it wasn't like a hassle having to put this in your purse or anything like that. Like, no, it had its own bag. So first off, I want to start with cleansers, and I'm starting off with the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. And I love this product because it is used for all types of skin tones and all types of skin conditions. And also, it has this very foamy texture, which I love on my face. I hate those wet type of cleansers. And the reason I also like this product because it's so big. They did give us a 16.9 fluid ounces bottle, which I think is wonderful that they gave us this huge bottle, and it has lasted me a while. And I love this product to taking off my makeup, to using it on facials. I think it's great. I love the fact that they did include this product into our kit. So the next product I'm going to be talking about is this Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. Now this is a total different type of cleanser, since this product is oil based. Now this will take off everything off your face, even the hardest mascara, the hardest eyeliner. I do recommend this product if you do wear a lot of eyeliner, mascara. I'm telling you, this will completely take it off. Now since it is oil based, you do have to be careful on what type of skin types you use and stuff like that. So otherwise, I do like this cleanser. The smell is wonderful also. So I was saying, it does take off everything, so that's the wonderful thing about it. Now the last cleanser that came in my kit is a Dermalogica Ultra Calming Cleanser. Now this cleanser is used for sensitive skin types, which I love because we do get those sensitive skin types that come around. So this is a wonderful product. It is very smooth, and it's actually a gel type cleanser. So going back to the whole textures, I love how they included every type of texture of cleansers into our kit. Like I was saying, this is a foamy type of cleanser. This is an oily. Now this is a gel. And you're probably wondering, like, it doesn't even matter. But I think it does matter, because not every person likes the same type of texture to it. And so, like, I really like the foamy type. You may like the oily type, or you may like the gel type. But I love using this product on sensitive skin, because it is wonderful. It does take off everything, and also doesn't have a very strong smell. If you have sensitive skin, I totally recommend this product. And that's the cleansers that we got in our kit. So now we're moving on. Next up is exfoliators. Now this is a Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. So this product can be used daily. Obviously not daily, but you know what I mean. Can be used a few times of the week. So this is a powder-like substance. So you do have to mix it up with some water when you're going to use it. And I love this product because that being said, it can be used daily. And it's very wonderful. I like using this for the basic European facials. It's obviously not going to be very tough on the skin. It's going to be that exfoliation that you do need every day. So I really like this product, and it's a pretty big bottle, so it's going to last you a while. Also, you don't use a lot, so it definitely does last a while. And I use this product in the shower when I'm taking a shower. So I totally recommend this product if you're looking for an exfoliator. So this next product is meant to be packed with this one just to give it that more powerful feel to your face. So this is the Dermalogica Exfoliant Accelerator 35. So this is just to the whole exfoliation process, and it does contain a lot of cons in the back. Like if you're using Retin-A, they don't recommend it, or you also have sensitive skin, they don't recommend you using this product. So you do have to definitely listen to the instructions on the back. But I do like using this product. So I do use this product once a month. So this is not more like a daily use. This is more just to that facial that you're doing to yourself, the exfoliation, anything. So like being said, you do have to be careful with this product. It's not meant for daily use. It's just to that feel and the exfoliation that you need on your face. So this next product is more like a chemical peel, more of a chemical exfoliation. So this is called the Multivitamin Power Exfoliant, and it comes in these little packets. You're probably wondering, like, that's not a lot of them, but these actually do last a while, since my teacher recommended to use only half of a bottle per face. And this is more like the chemical peel type of exfoliator, which is not meant to be used every day, and obviously there is its cons in the back. So you have to be careful with this because it can burn the face, and I usually never use this on myself. I'll only use it on the facials, and because you have to really be careful. You know how that works, and this does do its job. Like, it's wonderful. It feels really great having it on your face afterwards, but like being said, you do have to be careful since it is a chemical exfoliator. But I really do like this, and I like how they included this in our kit so we can get that feel of the chemical feel of that chemical exfoliation process. So these next two bottles are the extracting bottles that I got in my kit. And the first bottle I'm going to be showing you is called the Scaling Fluid. So this product is supposed to help soothen and soften the skin so you can extract better. And I'm going to tell you this does help you, and it does last a while since obviously you are not extracting the whole face. You usually just extract the parts that need to be. And I have heard from many people that this solution actually does help relieve the pain a little bit. Obviously not the whole pain, but just a little bit. So that's a wonderful thing. And also it does really help extract you better. I have done an experiment where I do use it and where I don't use it, and it really does help. So if you are looking to build a kit or anything like that, and you're looking for extracting things, then I definitely do recommend this Scaling Fluid. Next bottle we got in our kit is this post-extraction solution. So this is supposed to help relieve the aggravated and inflamed skin, which you just extracted. So it really does help, and it helps relieve it a lot. Like, you can feel your skin just breathe a little bit. So I really do recommend this product after you're done extracting. This will definitely help it. So next, these are the more like the extras of the kit. The first product I'm going to be showing you is this Calming Botanical Mixture. Now this is obviously used just to add a little bit of more extra to your facial, adding a better smell to the products. Now this smell is actually very, very calming. It's like a lavender, tea tree oil type of smell, excuse me. So I do recommend this if you want to add a better smell to anything. This is wonderful. Now the next product that I got is this massage cream. I really didn't like the massage cream since it doesn't really have a very good smell. But with this, I just like mixing it a little bit with this so it can add a better smell to the massage cream. Now I feel like the massage cream, in my opinion, is a little way too rough. I like the more silky, more wet massage cream. So I really didn't like this product, but it's wonderful to mix it with this. Now, if you do like the rough massage cream, then I do recommend this one. But I think these two little extras are wonderful in the kit because we do give massages in our facials. So these are wonderful pickups or extras that were included in the kit. I didn't like this one, but like being said, I really didn't like this one. So these are the 2 masks that were included in our kit. I'm very disappointed that they only included 2, and they're not very versatile. We did get this Kaleido Mask Base, which is a clear gel-like mask. It's for hydrating skin. Obviously, if you have oily skin, you don't want this product. You more wanted like a clay-based product, and I'm disappointed they did not include that in our kit. But if you like somebody with dry skin that needs a little bit of hydration, this product was wonderful to them. The downside that it wasn't for everybody. I have oily skin, so I feel like this mask didn't do much to me. It just was the mask just to put on. Now this next product is called the Multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. Now this mask is actually very powerful, and this was part of the H Smart line. Now like I was saying earlier, the chemical peels that we got on our kit is also part of the H Smart facial. So if you're doing the H Smart facial, you do need these 2 products. But this mask actually did feel wonderful on my face. It did give a little bit of like sensation, which I kind of like that. But be aware, this is for the H Smart facial, so you might want to include it with the other products that are part of that line. And I really did like this mask, and like I was saying, I just hate the fact that they only included 2 masks in our entire kit. I think they could have done better to add in more for an oily skin type, since this is for more like, this is more for rejuvenation. This is more like for hydrating dry skin. So I wish they included another mask for oily skin people, but this will do. So the next product that was included on our kit is the Multi-Active Toner. I absolutely love this toner. It makes your face feel so refreshed and clean, and besides all that, it has a wonderful smell, and it's wonderful that they gave us this huge bottle. This thing lasts a while. I only use 2 spritz around the whole face. Also, I really do like the spraying top because it's wonderful. It gives that whole big splash on the face. Absolutely love this product. It does last a while. Also makes your face feel so refreshed after a facial. It's wonderful. I do use it daily because it makes my face feel so good. I use it before putting on makeup. I absolutely recommend this product. Now the next product that I got in my kit is this Active Moist. This is more like a moisturizer, and I love this product because it did work as a moisturizer. It was wonderful. It smells wonderful, and I think it worked for all types of skins. That's the most pro thing about it, and I do recommend this product, and it smells wonderful like being said. And sadly they only included 1 moisturizer. I wish they would have included another one, but I mean, this will do. Last but not least, this is our SPF cream. Absolutely love this product. It's called Sun Defense Booster SPF 50, which I think it's wonderful adding to the end of your facial because you do need that SPF to protect your face. And you may think like this bottle won't last a while, but actually it does. I usually just use a pea size and apply it all over the skin, and it does spread very well. It's not too oily for the skin. I think it's just wonderful. It has a wonderful smell, and it does last a while. And this is a great product to top off for facial. I absolutely do recommend this product. I use this product every day still, even though I didn't have a facial. It's important to use SPF every day, so I definitely do recommend this product. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. I just wanted to show you a video on what was in my esthetician facial kit. I obviously did get some other stuff, but this is more like the facial dermalogica stuff that I got through my school. I think I gave it a rating of 9 out of 10. The only thing I really did give a negative thing about was the mask. That's the thing that they could have improved on. Hopefully they did add another type of mask, but other than that, this kit is wonderful for starters like me. It was wonderful for everybody. It was very versatile, and it just helped us learn about facials very easily because it did give instructions on the bottles and stuff like that. And also all the products worked wonderfully. Obviously it may not work wonderfully for everybody, but I think most of the part of it did work wonderful. So thank you so much for tuning in this video, and we will see you next time. Bye.